Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have a special collab piece. Now this is a collaboration between BAPE and PSG, the French football club. It's a top tier football club and one of my favorites. So this is there's a capsule collection, so I only got the T version. Alright, this is tag here, this is navy blue, double XL, full camo t-shirt right there. So let's open it. Right, check this out. Oh yes, as you can see, it's got the iconic blue and red colorway, which is symbolic of the PSG football team colors. Right there you've got the Paris SAINT-GERMAIN patch right there, the official football club logo. Very nice quality. And right off in the center you get the BAPE right there, and the iconic red stripe in the center right there. And on the right side you get the BAPE head. Alright, pretty damn cool. It has the color camo blue, alright, all over. So one thing to note, as with all full camo t-shirts, they do tend to run a little bit smaller compared to the black ones, black and white tees. Yeah, so just take note on that if you want to purchase this. Nothing on the back side. And on the left sleeve you got the BAPE tag as always. Legit check, back head there, and the tags here, double XL, APE head right there. Then you got the ABC camo card in green, which is standard. Right where you're from. Now they seem to have included the price as well inside here. So yeah, check that out. Now 1199, I believe. I'm not sure why this is 1199, but probably in Hong Kong dollars. Yeah, about Hong Kong dollars. Yep. So I guess because BAPE is now owned by a Hong Kong fashion house, so maybe that's why it's 1199 Hong Kong dollars. So conversion I think is about, I don't know, 180 US dollars. I'm just making a ballpark figure guess, but other than that, I think this is a great looking tee. Of course they have the shark hoodies, jackets and all that good stuff, and even of official football. I didn't go for those. I went for something a bit more practical, and this is definitely one of them, the t-shirt. Now I know the BAPE is a little bit too much for some, but I think it's quite nice compared to the other pieces. So yeah, let's have a look at the wash tag. So the red stripe goes all the way down to the bottom, and let's have a look at the wash tags before we go. Okay, sorry. Bathing Ape, 100% cotton, made in Japan. As with all collaboration pieces, I've been repeating that every single time. Alright, all that good stuff, and the Go Ape head right there. There you go. So all in all, check out my Instagram at IG LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, hopefully with the upcoming BAPE Ultra Boost and whatever football collection that's coming out, hopefully I can cop those and unbox them for you right here in this channel. Alright, see ya, bye.